Welcome to a brief overview of the VideoStar software presented by Genoptic Smart Displays. In this overview, we will quickly cover the layout, players, adding and scheduling content, and player monitoring. For further information, please click the help link located within the software portal or contact our support team at 1-866-989-7446. To get started, open a new internet browser window or tab and navigate to the lsslogin.com webpage. Log in with your username and password and click the connection button to log in. The basic layout consists of 4 areas: the player, content, playlists, and schedule. There is a new home button which will bring you back to this main layout screen. Account, user management, and help features are located in the upper right corner as well. In the player section shown on the left, all available sign or billboard locations will be listed here with colors representing their current status. Place a check mark in the colored box next to the player and select the monitoring tab above for detailed information regarding the selected locations. You may also select the colored status under the player in the center of the screen to view alerts and events that have been recorded. Additionally, you can publish content, but we will cover this shortly. Note that offline displays cannot be published. To exit from the player monitoring section, simply select the home button next to the monitoring tab currently in view. Content area is where you can store and manage images, videos, web-based content, streaming, as well as special types of content, which include data feeds, triggered content, and tickers. This content is shown on the left column, and folders can be created within the Media and Templates group. The sample folder is shown as an example. When you click on any of these folder groups from the left column, the current content of that folder will be shown on the right. To add new content to the selected folder, click the plus media or plus template icon. When the content has been added, you will have the ability to edit the content by clicking the edit icon as shown in the lower right corner of the arborist example. Additional information is available from our quick start and advanced support guides. The playlist area is used to select the available content from the library that will be played together. To add a new playlist, select the plus playlist button, provide a name, and select a color you wish to use. To add content to a playlist, drag and drop from the content section to the desired playlist. The content will appear where it was dropped, and note that you can move content within the playlist if you wish to change the order. The total number of files within the playlist is shown along with the total duration of the playlist. The scheduling grid is used to define when playlists will be played. Similar to the drag and drop feature demonstrated with adding content to the playlist, a playlist can be dragged and dropped into a day in the scheduling grid. When the playlist has been dropped into the scheduling grid, a pop-up window will appear to confirm the start and end time of the playlist. If the everlasting feature is selected here, this will make the selected playlist run indefinitely on the day of the week shown. For a typical playlist designed to run every day of the week, simply add the playlist to Monday and right-click on an open area of the Monday and select the duplicate day feature and select the Sunday of the current week. This will now play every day of the week indefinitely. You can navigate to different weeks, months, or years using the arrows above the scheduling grid or return to the current week via the current week button. Publishing content to the sign or billboard is done via the Publish icon button in the upper right corner above the scheduling grid. Publishing from the home screen will be done behind the scenes. If you wish to view the status of the publishing feature, select the monitoring button above the player. Note that you can also publish from the monitoring section as well. Please note that at least one player must be selected in the player section for this to work. Otherwise, an error message will pop up to notify the user to select a player. Place a check mark next to the player. Please note that offline or inactive players cannot be published. Once you've completed all your updates, you can log out from the portal. This is done by selecting your username in the upper right corner. Shown as test in this example, the logout option will appear. You may update your account info here as well. Thank you for watching, and for further information, please contact us at 1-866-989-7446 or by email at support@genopticsmartdisplays.com.